Your electric scooter, now let's go driving. Come on. You guys are gonna see a little bit now. And later, you're gonna see a whole lot.